bloody cold. Look how white the roads are. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new to it. Join me on a nice January freezing cold day for no particular reason really, just having a little ride into town. Might visit my family or my grandmama, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the journey. I've got a few videos, ideas lined up. I'm being honest, I just haven't really wanted to go outside and ride when it's like -4 when I'm leaving for work in the morning, and I'm pretty sure it hit -6 the other day. And I know for some of you watching that's nothing, but for me on a bike it's just not fun. I just don't enjoy it. But even then, just pulling out of that petrol station, my back wheel was the traction control was spinning, well the wheel was spinning and the traction control was kicking in. So I always am what are you doing? Jesus, it's a Honda Jazz. It's a classic Honda Jazz, fucking, they just can't drive. The learner's faster than the Jazz. So yes guys, I thought, you know, as it's the middle of winter here, and we've got a couple of months before we get back out into the sun, which I bet you can't wait for if you're living in the UK with me. I know I can't wait to get out in the sun and just not worry about all this shit on the roads. But yeah, I think it's quite important if I don't know if you have your bike locked up away in a garage under a cloth, you know, under a cover, under keeping it nice and warm and not getting any salt on it and stuff like that. But for me, I'm if it's dry enough, and this is sort of borderline today, it's like that, it's got that sheen on the roads, and you can see here it's all white with salt. It's sort of like borderline as to what I want to be riding on, but I'm quite an avid believer in getting out when and if I can. Doesn't matter what time of year it is. I have a heated jacket on, which I forgot to turn on, I'm just thinking about that, and I got some heated gloves on. They generally keep me, you know, mostly warm, although it's still not the most pleasant experience. But to be honest, it's just nice to get out on a bike and just have a bit of freedom, and you know, it's better than just sitting at home, to be honest. Like I don't do well if I sit at home doing nothing with no plans. Like I had some plans this weekend and it just fell through, so I thought I don't just want to sit there doing nothing. Got to get out. And what better thing to do than just make a video for you guys. I also wanted to talk about all of my lovely subscribers. There's not many of them, but the channel has grown, and it is growing. It continues to do better and better, which, you know, is so amazing. I'm really happy with, you know, the slow but steady progress of the channel. My target originally when I started this was to just see, you know, just enjoy and get the content. Just enjoy and you know, enjoy making videos, and if any new experiences come from having a YouTube channel, then that's a win. And I've had quite a few new experiences from the YouTube channel. I've met quite a few people, even if it's if it's online or virtually. Most of the time it's virtually, because, you know, people share your content, you share theirs. I kind of want to have a go at this woman. Anyway, what was I saying before that woman rudely pulled out on me? Yeah, the channel's grown well, and I've been really happy with it. And my original target was to think, if I can get to about 1,000 subscribers, that would be pretty impressive for, you know, myself. That's my goal. I didn't want to be a big YouTuber or anything like that. I just wanted to just get 1,000 subscribers, because then that, if you put 1,000 people in a room, that's bloody impressive. And I remember thinking, I think I started, I had a YouTube channel about, I don't know, 10 years ago or something, I can't remember, but I had one a while ago, and I never really did anything, and I uploaded a couple of push bike stories. Use your eyes. Let's go to town. if you put 1,000 people in front of you, it's mad to think. God, this bike's loud. We're going to do a classic bike trick here and take a shortcut. Shortcut. You never saw a thing. Sorry, I know it's loud. Yeah, anyway, going back to what I keep getting distracted by, nothing in particular. So yeah, now we're at, like, as the time of making this video, I think I hit 980 today, which is mad. I'm 20 away from my goal of, you know, 1,000. So, you know, if you are a subscriber and you're a regular person of my channel and you comment, you like the videos and stuff like that, I just want to say thanks very much. I really do appreciate it. I've had a really good time on, you know, the last couple of years or so making videos, and I want to continue doing that, getting on some new bikes next year, enjoying the experience, maybe meeting a few of you guys. I do kind of want to do a little competition, not a competition, a giveaway. So, you know, no entrance fees or anything like that, no bullshit. It's just going to be, if I pothole, if there's, you know, some comments on my video, I can just give away some stuff and just say thanks, which I will organise and I'll do. World's slippiest roundabout, this one. And yeah, hopefully I can get you guys some stuff, whether it's a little bit of cleaning stuff, it's I don't know, GoPro mount, just random motorcycle shit. That's what I'm going to give away. So yeah, hopefully by the time I do my next video, I'm doing a few shorts lately, but hopefully the next video I upload will be past the 1,000 subscriber club, which should be nuts. So yeah, I just want to say thanks for helping me get to this point. Hopefully there's much more to come. I guess that's down to me, but yeah, hopefully there will be. God, it's cold. It's my birthday in a couple of weeks, so that'll be a nice 1,000 subscriber present for myself, and thanks to you. I am actually thinking about going mini moto racing, which would be quite interesting. Getting a few people together. I've never done that, and hopefully I can video it, so that'll be quite a funny video for you guys, because I'm basically 90% sure that I will fall off, and so will all of my mates doing it as well. So I'll try and get them to wear a GoPro or two, and I'll recommend it or not. Now that is sick. I love that. I do love an old Land Rover. I used to have a Defender and I used to love it. Love it. It was actually quite reliable as well. Let's go down here. Sneaky little lane, this one. Used to come down here with my granddad, cycling. Thank you. Ooh. Bumpy, 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 bumpy. Oh. Oh shit. Let me do it, sorry. Just high beaming someone here for no reason. Anyway guys, thanks very much for watching. Here's to a good 2024, and I will catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.